I'll be showing you guys how to do the top, how to create the top of this particular amazing trending Nigerian footwear, female footwear. So I'll be using the measurement, the meter rule to get our measurement. Remember, this is double folding top. So please subscribe to our channel, give us a like, ask your questions using the comment section. So this is the color we are trying to produce, green color, right? So of course green is Nigerian color, so it's not a surprise that it's a trending footwear, female footwear in Nigeria currently because of the color green. Respect and God bless Nigeria. Okay, so let's work it. Now for the two strap that tie this top, we'll be using 1 centimeter to that is 1 centimeter wideness. All right, so it's double folding. What we mean by double folding, we'll be using both the material for both the outside and the inside padding. All right, so we'll be folding the material. So using 1 centimeter, now we'll be tracing 2 centimeter to fold inwardly so that it will give us 1 centimeter wideness. So I don't know, just watch. Yeah, half. All right, so watch. So trace the line, join the line together. So point to point A to B, B to C, C to D, and D to E. All right, so that's what you're doing. Watch. You can see that. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video. How to create the top pattern of this trending Nigerian female footwear. All right. Now for the major, the main top, we'll be using 7 centimeter wideness. Okay, so watch. That would be like 14 centimeter, right? So yeah, fold into 2. That is 14 divided by 2. That is 7. Okay, so watch. That's the measurement you're taking on the material using your meter rule. So you join the line just the way you will first do the first one. All right, join the line, point to point. All right, then you now will now do the folding. So watch. So the rubbing gone. Shout out to Big Trap. Elephant's gone. Yeah. Gently rub your gum. Spread it. Spread. So once your gum is evenly spread, you allow for drying. Allow for drying. After drying, then you cut. Cut along your tracing line. Cut along your tracing line. Folding. You fold inward. So once you fold 14 centimeter inward, you'll be having that's half of centimeter. You just 7 centimeter. All right. So you fold on the center line. Edge to edge will give you 7 centimeter. See? Okay. Now watch. Just bring it on a little bit down. Okay. So you watch the folding process. You first take the middle, the center point. Take the center point by folding the top into 2. Then you fold inward. Yeah. Fold inward. And you tag. Watch. Yeah. Which one? I think we should go with this one. Yeah. So watch. Tag with Mr. Bond. Reduce. So what you have. Now you create the knots for the rope. You can see that. Then create the knots, fix it inside. And see what we have. Then you now drag. Come on, carry it. Huh? This is what we have. Start to create this top. So it's easy, right? So tell me what you learn. Subscribe to our channel. Give us a like. This is ABC Shoes. JTP Cars. Please, you can reach out to us on this number. God bless you. All right. Big shout out. Chick Nan.